Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to reinvest dividends on Robinhood. First, open the Robinhood app on your phone and make sure you're signed in to your account. Now tap on the profile icon. Then tap on the three lines from the top corner to open the menu. Here tap on Investing. Scroll down until you find the Dividend Reinvestment section. Now tap on Enable Dividend Reinvestment. Then turn the toggle switch on. If prompted, complete the onboarding process by following the instructions on your screen. Once enabled, you'll see a list of eligible stocks and ETFs that pay dividends. Here you can choose which investments you want to automatically reinvest dividends for. Simply tap the circle or check mark next to the investments you want to include. From now on, when those investments pay dividends, Robinhood can automatically use the cash to purchase additional shares or fractional shares of the same investment. Keep in mind that dividends are usually reinvested during market hours on the trading day after the dividend pay date. You may receive a notification once the reinvestment has been completed. You can return to the dividend reinvestment section at any time to turn the feature off or manage which investments are included. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.